Hey, it's Rob from Copy Pro again. Today, we'd like to give you some troubleshooting ideas if your copies look like this. Generally what this means, if your prints come out okay and you copy through the document feeder and end up with streaks going across the page like this, it's generally an issue with your slit glass. This right here is the slit glass. As you can see, this problem is a bit exaggerated. What you want to do, if your copies are streaking, take a little bit of rubbing alcohol or some glass cleaner, any type of cleaning solution, put it on a paper towel, a cleaning rag, anything like that. You want to really make sure, scrub it till it's all gone. Give it a really good clean. Any little speck, doesn't have to be that big, a little speck. Now, good as new. Take this document. Much better. So that's how you clean the slit glass.